put it inside there. We can also use this thing to on courtesy light. Courtesy light and on our fence. There's a way I can program this thing that they will put all the lights here on this. That the moment it's around 6 p.m. the lights will come up by itself and go up by itself. But I'm not interested in that one for.
The fence light.
Yes, the fence light. That's the light we call courtesy light. So that's the way we connect it. There's a board here where they show the diode of lights. These lights. So I'll connect one here. Then I'll connect the life of your light here and the neutral to this place. So this will be the one controlling the whole light of the building. I'm not interested in that one for today. Sir? No. Come back there, I'll correct it. So you need effect. Tell about the cut light, no effect. Then we have some of these devices that they are low voltage device. Mistake it or any look into some video. Low voltage device, you can't connect this directly to the engine. Those low voltage devices, they have a step down that will step it down from 220 to 19 volts. And even that one is even in some circumstances, especially where they don't have high voltage, I'll be telling what to full. Where they always experience low voltage, it's better you use those ones so that there will not be any complaint when you know what there is a low voltage. That's why I'll put this one here. So this is the converter. It's converted down from the power from 220 volts then I will need to connect the battery again. Hey, shift back. Somebody should come here and help me with it. I will now put this battery like this. The battery is choco by that. I will now connect this. Remove your leg there.
Leave there.
Then this positive. I'll connect the positive here. I'll now use the rubber here. That was a job like that we did. Like with that thing installed, the guy burned this thing. So solar la pada for power. Solar is there to have pay in the sense that I need a lot to wait for me. You know, you just put a charge controller. So open the gate and lower that instead of close. Oh yeah, leave the gate. And cool the gate and come back. Leave that please, leave that please.
Sorry. As a controller for the gate, as you can see, controller for the gate. So we want to open the gate now remotely. I want to put it again now remotely. As you can see, it's moving on its own. As you can see, it's moving on its own. Just as you can see, moving on its own.
Remove your hand.
No one pushing it. So we're going for the configuration now.
Just press it on it for 2 seconds. Put the limit and river.
Normal limit, how many minutes the man? Are we
Only
question
go one question at the advanced stage. Come sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, go back. Yes. What's the vote? Oh. But shall we remember? Shall I put the key back?
Yeah.
The moment I use my hand to pull this gate now, shall I put come and see it? My one locking. The funnest thing, locking BB mean I'm out. Your locking should be closing it, but locking gate means you will open it like this. To the extent that you know I feel the magba, or just Facebook. Me and phone, what 3G phone your own. So after doing it like this, I will hook this gate. Open the now right here. I lock it. And the machine have pick up the gate now. The next thing I will now do, I will now press it for 2 seconds. Don't touch that gate at all. I'll press next. I've entered set up with that. Yes, I've put oil in the jar box. All these ones we have done in the past. Accept safety. We have checked all the safety conditions right. Is your wire normally connected? Yes. Origin marker fixed. That's what we call origin marker.
This thing.
At fix it at 50 centimeter. Yes. The gate motor is engaged. Motor engaged. The moment I use hand to hook it is engaged. Then stop end fitted. The stop end are there. Then next. Then press this. Then the gate is trying to use to mark where to stop and where to start now. It's a video. And I'll send it. So you can mark the stop end. You can smack that stop end. Or to find the one. He's finding the second one. So you must not use hand to touch it.
The moment to find the line.
To find the both ends. Very because it's marked by full right, not verify. It has verified the first one.
Very fast that you touch.
Yeah, the second one. Yeah, go and verify the second one. So it will now ask, is it open or closed? Is it open? It's closed. So I will press. Is the gate open? No. I will now accept it as no. So OTR has closed this time. So the next thing we now want to do is, where are the 2 keys? There's one mistake which people used to make. The moment you are telling your client that you are installing it for you, if it's like this that you configure the gate, meaning the blue button is up. The moment you talk about a mistake about the remote, I have one of my grand gate in your machine now, and is the blue front or back? And now it's back. But if I configure it back like this also, the moment they do it like this, so I want to configure these 2 keys now. Stopped. Now I've set the limit. I will now come to remote control. I'm on remote now. Under remote, I press go. I want to hard remote. I'll press go on hard remote. So what are the functions I want it to do? Trigger. I press trigger. Time bar, no. We have press remote. It has assigned error.
Already assigned.
two already aside. Okay, I'll just accept. I've already added the two remotes in the past. So one thing I want to do now is, let me first delete the remotes so that you guys exit. Then delete those remotes. So you guys delete remotes. Delete by ID. Yes. We are press 1. ID 1. Do you want to delete? Yes.
ID
2. Do you want to delete? Do you want to delete? Yes.
Okay. And here we have okay. Okay button.
Okay. So have. Yes. So what to delete the remote page by? I want to now add this. I'm going to add remotes. Emma Farakan. Add remote.
Listen, don't touch this in at all.
Accept trigger. Time bar. I'm not putting any time bar to it. Time bar means I go 10 seconds. Go to my open. I don't need time bar. No. You press remote. Put accept 1. You press remote. Put accept 2. Blue the message by phone trigger.
Okay.
Sussex. I will come back. I want to add pedestrian now.
Okay. Only pedestrian.
Pedestrian I mean pay ash there. Add remote.
Close bí abẹ́ yẹn fẹ́ wọlé.
Bí yẹn fẹ́ wọlé. Tí ṣe mọ́tò.
Okay. Okay, let's send you.
Trigger alakọ̀kan say I will now come to pedestrian now. Accept. Time bar no. So press the remote.
1.
This one is for pedestrian. This one is for pedestrian. Okay. I will just go back now. We are through with. Go leave that place. I don't go.
Tó ṣe ń múùfù tí ẹ máa fọwọ́ kàn kí ni ìwà jẹ́.
I need that I'm going to install force.
This
Hey, you are not hearing Yoruba. Stall force means something is using force to stop it. The mode I said it is the default mode. In stall force, if something use power to hook it now, the moment the gates now, as we have configured the opening and closing mark, the moment I use force to stop it now, the gate will go back.
I believe that is the closing.
No, it will believe that something is hindering the gate. It will attempt again the second time. That man, maybe they want to enter, they now use stop force to store it. The moment the gate attempt 3 times and it did not close, the gate will hook as permanently open. If we set it at American standard, American will only allow 1 stop force. The moment you hit that stop force when it open, it will not close until when they call us to come and set it. So yeah, let me now use the key to close the gate. So this same key that opened the gate to close the gate. Are you seeing? Let me now say I want to open pedestrian. Which one do we set for pedestrian? White. So let me press this white. The pedestrian, it will first wait for a few seconds to go out.
Tó bá rí ṣe lẹ́nu.
It will close back by itself.
Owó wà lọ. Lélo.
Hope you get one. Let me use pedestrian on the second remote too as well. Then press pedestrian. It will wait for a few seconds to open. So if you give me chance, can you see it as make a way for pedestrian? It's a little above that origin marker. I'll go out.
Mi ò pẹ́ o.
The moment the time, okay, once you go out, time, I can adjust the pedestrian time here. We will normally advise if it's not in an estate, sunny general gate, the default pedestrian about staircase that is being set, make it low. So that when you enter, somebody might want to enter the gate with you. So those that design the gate have designed it that within that time you should enter and the gate will be locked. But if it's a controlled environment, you can increase the pedestrian time. There's another thing that might be a beam marker. That beam marker, we can put it outside. The moment your car reaches that beam like this, the gate will open by itself. But the day, if you also want to come and do something and they block that beam, it will also do what? Open by itself. So those beam marker, we don't use it for outside. If it's not in a controlled environment, do check allocation and color code. But we can use beam marker. As when they are parking here now, we can put a beam marker here. Another beam marker there. So the moment the motor battery break the beam marker, right, the gate will open. There's another one we call window. There's another one we call window. That window, as when they are parking here, if the motor battery final point, if this is the point, the motor to now, that's why the gate is open. We break this guard. It's just 2 meters. See, tire motor, the moment the tire of the car press the first one and press the second one like this, before the car reach the gate will have opened. So the moment you drive out, the gate will close. So you don't need to use key to go out. But the day your children are playing and they mistakenly jump on this one and jump on this one, you know, it's a machine that program like that. Gate will do what by itself. You open. Setting understanding that will survive. So the gates are parallel. So if you now check the status of the gates now, close the Buddha and the river.
Okay.
What do you see there now?
Closed.
Then now open the gate back. What's it right there? Open. Then this origin marker, that origin marker, the what it does is that before you reach your final point, that's magnet. But I get your 20,000. What the function it does is that you will tell the gate that run fast. See, everybody to have a close gate in Simba, open the door, that's why it's making noise. Anytime the gate is left open, it will be making that caution sound. When there are sometimes when we drive what this yo, as long as this machine is doing total, they will know that that gate is open. Is still open. There is an alarm here. Sometimes I will connect the alarm, I connect it. Probably the moment the gate is open, I do to but in some environment, the type of US standard and set this alarm will reduce it. So there are some more functions that this machine can do than open and close gate. You can use it to on the lights and off the light. You can even set it at holiday mode. That December 24 to December so day too. I will not be around. Automatically the gate will close. No key. We open and close the gate until when we are back. And there's another thing. There was a day we were doing one job by in Lekki. As we are programming gate here, another person is another place programming gate, and this key can be up to like 3 kilometers, some instances, depending on the thickness of your wall. So by a program gate, we can read 3 and 4. I had only 1 and 2. We now waited. The moment they are testing that gate there, our own gate is also opening because all of them use almost the same frequency. The only difference is timing. So, but if I program my own earlier, I can't program more. Because they program their own, it will not affect their own. Can you see that it's finally open now? Let me now lock it. I change it close. Right now, come inside. And always tell your client, oh, good or Dori remote your code do. Since we have put it on blue and hash like this, it must be blue and hash. If I press all this one like this, can you see that the gate is not working? So, but if I now press, let me press this one now.
Come here, sir.
There. So we can still use green for open and...
No. It's only this two.
We can use green. I can program any one, any color.
Okay.
Oh, is that a pariba?
Okay.
Sir?
Sorry, you said something about the alarm. Can the alarm be programmed internally?
Yes.
So
Yes.
it will not affect the outside.
But while they were still constructing the building, that's wrong wire lesson.
Okay.
Well, you know, the question open here.
Yes.
And something obstructive.
Yeah.
And it stopped.
Yeah.
But after 3 times. After three times. Can you still use manual to close the
You
gate?
can use manual to close it and lock it back if you still open. But we don't normally advise clients to do that one themselves because they might adjust. The moment they do any settings on this marker, this gate will not be opening very fine. This is what tests this machine, the length and breadth of the gate. So let me explain to you.
But she all reach 3 point something meter as the length of the gate. So the machine will tell you the
Total length, yes. Oh, my mail gate. Hey, yo. The much mistake you should have. I want to make that. I will have. Close the gate now. The same button if you open up. Now let's close. kéékèèké this ash yìí ní fún pedestrian bóyá ní èèyàn fẹ́ jáde báyìí pedestrian ẹ bá fọkàn a ti ṣe báyìí but àwọn akẹ́ pedestrian aṣí àkọ́kọ́ ka 3 seconds a jáde báyìí ṣẹ́rí pé mi tẹ̀ báyìí a close padà after 7 seconds a close padà so gbogbo after ẹ̀ jẹ́ 10 seconds altogether so àyìn náà dey try it.
So, but is it compulsory kí tàwa tí wọn bá fẹ́ jáde bóyá pedestrian?
Wọ́n lè máa ṣí yẹn, wọ́n lè máa ṣí yẹn, but tí wọ́n bá ṣí yẹn wọ́n gbúdọ̀ ṣe mistake ló open kó má lọ gba mọ́tò.
So, in order to save energy, in order to save power, better again.
Máa ṣí bẹ́ẹ̀.
Because iná náà ló tún lọ àti.
Iná àhórí sólà ló wà. But ẹ má ṣe mistake yí remote yẹn kò dùn báyìí o. Red and buy lẹ́sìn máa lò. Ṣé wá yí kò dùn báyìí bọ́tù méjì yóò ṣiṣẹ́ kan.
Ṣé wàá tẹ̀ lórí?
Ṣé rí báyìí?
Ọ̀rọ̀ mo sọ ni pé tó bá ṣe báyìí náà tó
wọ́n lè lò wọ́n lè lò. Bọ́yá ọ̀pẹ́ ẹlòmíì máa wò kókè nìkan la kàn á ti wá yí kò dùn. Àwọn máa tẹ̀
kí ni function àwọn méjèèjì yìí?
Ṣé méjì a lè lò fún extra function ní cross light tó yẹ pé bàtà ń kọ́ bí lọ́wọ́ náà lọ́wọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ a lè náà wáyà láti lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ a lè lò fún alarm láti fi tan alarm pa alarm. Then bó ṣe wà báyìí tí o at no battery at pay no power ó lè ṣe up to 150 times tí battery ẹ̀ tí battery bá full tí battery then tí náà bá tán lórí battery ẹ̀ tó bá open lọ́wọ́ yóò open tán kò kàn ní close padà tó bá dẹ̀ yẹ kó ń close lọ́wọ́ náà yóò close tán kò ní open padà. Wọ́n ṣe tẹ́ kó ní extra charge ní orí rotor yẹn tẹ́ bá pàdé ó ṣe padà.
Ẹ sì sọ pé solar iná ò lè pẹ́ fún ọ̀gá.
Káwọn yẹn kàn bá wa connect you have pour your water now close your water kàn bá wa connect náà lókun báyìí ká.